YouTube, Cranky B. What a nice day. Last day of freedom. Back having a nice drink. And trying to seal up the exhaust in this three-wheeler because it's pretty loud. And see, I attempted some external sealing, and that didn't work too well. So now that it's cold, I'm gonna pull the front pipe and I'm gonna make my own little seal in there. I'm gonna use aluminum tape and Permatex. Despite what many people may say, you can use silicone on exhaust and it will work. Silicones can take very high temperatures, so let's get started. Alright, I got the front pipe unbolted. Of course, it didn't come off the way it's supposed to. One of the studs actually came right out, and there's the other nut that came off. Oh, if you're wondering what that jingling sound is in a lot of my videos, now that I got this good camera, my key's hanging off my belt loop. I usually don't have them in my pocket when I've got the camera around because I don't want the camera to get scratched. Anyway, front pipe comes off like that, real easy like. And now we got this mess to deal with. So yeah. Alright, so this screw actually came out, which is kind of surprising, but the main problem with this is right here. That usually has this thing that makes it bigger. It's like soft metal, probably lead, to help seal the exhaust, and that's gone. So, opening up the silicone here, the Permatex Ultra Black. Sorry about the shitty camera work. I tend not to look through the camera because I don't know if I've said this before or not, but I try to make my work quality better than the video quality. Alright, now I'm just gonna wrap a bunch of aluminum foil and tape around there. So alright, I just took some aluminum foil, folded it up and wrapped it around there, and then put a couple wraps of aluminum tape on there, and now it's time to see if it'll fit. Grab a little drink here. Enjoy the last day of summer here. It's pretty warm out, especially for September. But I just wrapped some tape around the outside. I'll see if I can get the screw in. First try, I got it right in there. Now I got a big mess to clean up, but for right now it's okay. That was a fail. You can see I've been doing some work bombs. I didn't film any yet, but got about half a bottle of works yet, so that'll be cool. Alright, let's see. Awesome. I can't feel any leaks right now. Let's go for a little ride and see. That main leak was why it was so loud. Quiet, it sounds like a Prius. and making more noise now. That's just stock exhaust for a 1982 Honda ATC 200. Nope, can't really feel a leak there. Awesome. Now I can do some night riding without getting in trouble. I don't like it loud because I don't really like the sound of this thing, so quiet's just fine with me. See you later, YouTube.